Hello friends, good evening. So today we will see a new topic. So the topic that we are going to see today is beta of a stock. Okay. So what is beta of a stock? We will see. So right now I am in Zerodha account, Demat account. So you can do the same thing in all your all the Demat accounts, whatever you are holding it. Okay. It is the process same. It will be little bit. The options will be differing from one demat account to another demat account. Okay, so let's see how to find the beta of a stock. So here is Astral or Bajaj Finance I will take. So I will take an example for Bajaj Finance, and you go to the, if you are using it if you are using a zero account, just go to the fundamentals, and if you go to the fundamentals, so here you can see here in fundamentals beta. So this is 1.85 for the stock name called Bajaj Finance. So let me explain you what a beta means. Beta means nothing but it is a market. It is in comparison with the Nifty. Okay. So if Nifty is today's Nifty is moving at the giving a positive of 1%, then this stock, that is a Bajaj Finance, has the probability to overrun the Nifty, and it will give you the good returns of, or the returns more than 1%. That is, it might give 1.85. So it is always in relation with the Nifty. So similarly, if for example, if this beta is for example 0.50, so whenever Nifty gives 1%, this specific stock will give 0.5 percentage of returns. So it is both in terms of positive and negative returns. Okay. So if the Nifty gives negative of 1% return, then Bajaj Finance for the same day it might give 1.85. So that means 1.85 percentage of negative returns. So that means with respect to the Nifty, this factor is determined. 1.8 the more the beta, the more volatile it is. It is nothing but the volatility factor in comparison with the Nifty. So the more the difference. So if it is more than 1, or if it is less than, if it is more than 1, you can assume that it is more volatile, and if it is less than 1, then you can assume that that stock is less volatile compared to Nifty, because Nifty holds the topmost 50 companies of India. So that is why if you have a beta of your portfolio and your stock which is less than 1, then you can assume that is a you will not have much volatility in the stock. So even if the stock price falls or the market crashes, you will have less damages done to your in terms of stock price for that specific stock. So here I try to explain in a better way. Let's see a case of, I took an example of two companies here. One is Astral and one is Minda Industries. Both are different sectors. One is piping and one is automobile. So here what you can see is the profit of for 5 years for Astral is 723.75, and that is the same range for the same 5 years period of time. It is Minda Industries is 663.05. Okay. So let's before going further to this, let's see the beta of these two stocks first. So now we will see the beta of the Astral. So here I am in the fundamentals of Astral, and you can see 0.82 is the beta of the Astral. Okay. So let's now go and see the same for the Minda Industries. So here the Minda Industries there, and for here it is 1.23. So that means for Astral it was 0.82, and for Minda it is 1.23. So that means for the Astral it is below 1, and for Minda it is above 1. Okay. So please remember this thing before we go to the next screen. So here we are in the back to the previous screen. Here you can see the same companies that we saw the beta. So for Astral it was 0.82, and for Minda it was 1.23. So here you can see the volatility of the Minda and Astral. So whenever there is a fall in the stock market, that is in the Nifty, you can see the same thing over here in the individual stocks. So just to see this period, so that is at the period of 2020, where we have the pandemic period. So in the March, April, May, you can see the above one, the one in the yellow, it is the Minda Industries, and the one in the Astral, it is the blue one. So you can see when the market was falling heavily, there was a lot of correction in the Minda Industries. You can see from where to where it has fallen in comparison with Astral. You can see Astral has fallen less in comparison with Minda Industries. So here with this example, we can see that over 5 years of time, more or less they gave the similar return, 723 and 683. But the volatility factor, when it falls much higher pace, the beta with higher beta stocks that falls, or it is too much volatile in comparison with the less beta. So in order to have a good portfolio, you need to always choose a stock which has less beta. Okay, so this was very important. So if you have a beta with less than 1%, it means that even if the Nifty falls for 1%, your stock or your portfolio will fall less than 1%. So it will be benefit for you with the low risk profile. So if you have a less beta, it simply means that you will have a low risk profile. Okay, this one you can also check in the Zerodha account. So I will go back to Zerodha to show you. So as I told you, you can check your portfolio on Zerodha. So I am at the portfolio page, and for this you will have one screen called Analytics. You can see on the right side on top you have one name called Analytics. So you just have to click here the Analytics column, and then just you have to click the Insights on the right side, and here you have to tick that I agree to share with the ticker type information, and you will find the beta of the portfolio itself. So individually, so what it does is Zerodha does is it collects the beta of all the stocks in your portfolio and gives it. So you can see the beta of my portfolio is 0.64 against 1% of Nifty. So that means it is written your portfolio moves by a factor of 0.64 in the direction of market swings. Okay, so I am not very sure whether this portfolio beta is available in your demat account. So for example Upstarts or Grow, whatever you have. This one I am personally using Zerodha from long time, so that's why I'm using. But I hope this also will be there in your stocks, in your demat account. So you can check it. Or if you don't find it, you can just Google it or search in YouTube if you have the options in your demat account. Otherwise also it's not an issue. So as just like before I showed you, you can go to any stock. For example, Berger Paint I am going, and you can see the fundamentals. Go to the fundamentals of the stock, and you see the beta. So you just can compare the stocks that whatever you hold in your portfolio, the beta is of those is less than 1 or more than 1. And if you have, for example, 15 to 20 stocks, you just put a aggregate of all, and then see the you can take the list of all the shares that is in your portfolio, and calculate yourself what is the portfolio beta. So this way you can calculate your portfolio beta and evaluate your portfolio whether it is less volatile than Nifty or not. Okay, so that's all I have that's all the information that I have for this video. So I'll come up with another video with some other information. Till then, goodbye and take care.